Good morning to one and all. My name is M. Venkatesh Babu. My topic is about scheme of the fundamental right to certain freedom under Article 19. Right to Freedom Act comprises of 4 articles. They are Article 19, Article 20, Article 21A and Article 22. My topic is about Article under 19. The article under 19 consists of 6 freedoms. They are freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peacefully, freedom to form association, freedom to move freely, freedom to residence, and freedom to practice any profession. Freedom of speech and expression. This, this right will guarantee to speak any our ideas and thoughts in that all coming under our mind, and it also some have restriction. The state can impose some restriction on the freedom of speech and expression. In the purpose of interest in integrity and security and sovereignty of the country and friendly relations with foreign nations and for public order with respect to defamation. And also we seen in movies the judge says the contempt of court, which means in that time we not to supposed to speak. Freedom to assemble. Next right is freedom to assemble. We can assemble anytime, any place, anywhere, but without any arms. However, the reasonable restriction can be imposed in the freedom to assemble by the state to maintain sovereignty and integrity of the country. In nowadays we are facing the crisis like corona. In that case we could not assemble in any place in our country because it spreads all over the India. Freedom to form association. Again, the state can impose the restrictions in the interest of integrity and security and sovereignty of the country. Because if we form the association, if there is any crisis, the associate members will fight. So the the permission should be guaranteed from the police forces. This freedom gives the right to form trade union, which is thus a fundamental right. The Police Force Act 1966 prohibits the police personnel from forming the trade unions. Constitution allows the Parliament to pass a law restricting the right to form political association to members of the armed force and intelligence bureaus and personnel employed with the telecommunication system. These members cannot make an association as the Parliament passes the law to restrict it. Freedom to move freely. A citizen in India can move any place in the state or Union of India, and but it also be restricted in some cases of epidemic that may spread all over the India, like corona in our country. Freedom of residence. We can shift our native places to any part of the country, such as in state or in union territories. Although they have restriction can be imposed on the to maintain the security and public order or for protecting the interest of scheduled tribes. Freedom of profession. We can do jobs in any part of the country, and that job is to be not illegal or immoral. If we do illegal and immoral, we will be arrested. Also, the law does not prevent the state from making laws related to technical or professional qualification required for practicing the occupation or trade. We can do any job that is not depend upon the technical or professional or whatever may be. We can do any jobs in the any state. These are all the six freedoms in the Article 19. We can use we can use these rights in beneficial way to proud our country. Thank you.